Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to set an animated display picture on your Gmail profile. Uh, it's a fun way to make your account stand out, so let's get right into it. First, we're going to use a free tool called Jitter. Just open your browser, search for jitter.video, and head over to the site. Once you're there, click on Create New File. In the workspace, set both the width and height to 360 pixels. That keeps the animation perfectly square, which is ideal for a profile picture. Next, click the little image icon at the top and upload the picture you want as your profile. Resize it so it fits neatly inside the square. Now, click on Animate from the toolbar. You'll see a bunch of effects. For this example, choose Slide In. Then go back and add an out animation. Pick Slide Out so it flows smoothly. Once you're happy with the animation, click Export at the top. From the options, choose GIF. This makes sure your animation loops continuously, perfect for a display picture. Alright, now let's set it in Gmail. Open Gmail. Click your profile icon in the top right, then hit Add Profile Picture. Choose Upload from Computer, select the GIF you just downloaded, and click Save. And that's it. You now have a custom animated display picture on your Gmail. Pretty cool way to make your profile stand out, right? Thanks for watching and enjoy your new look.